steam from the furnace will boil me alive. I need to cool down the coals somehow.
Yeah, Joker wants you to think he's sick. Then wham! Gotcha!
I don't know, man. He looks pretty sick.
You mean worse than usual?
Shut up, man. Someone will hear you.
Who cares? By the sound of things, he won't be around much longer. When that happens, I'm off to join up with Two-Face.
Why would you do that? He's crazier than Joker. At least with the Joker, you know he's got a plan. Two-Face just flips that damn coin.
I promised you some entertainment, right, boys?
Please, I did my best.
Well, you should have tried harder. That useless quack has failed, Mr. J. And you know what that means. Oh, I think we can do better than that. Get in here, Mr. Hammer. Come in, Mr. J.
Help me!
Stop! Change of plan. Take her to the smelting chamber. Mr. J wants this one to suffer a little longer. Right then. The rest of you idiots, get out of here. You know what you've got to do. Go get the snowman and bring him back here right now. He's gonna pay for screwing over Mr. J. I need him back here like yesterday.
Who was Harley talking about?
Sounds like she's declared war on Freeze.
Well, look who didn't get blown to pieces in Mr. J's lovely trap. Don't let him get away again, boys.
You're gonna die?
Doing here? You're supposed to be dead! Well, there's no way you're getting to Mr. J. We're safe and sound up here. You can just stay down there and burn!
Alfred, Joker's holed up in the manager's office in the steel mill.
I'm sure you'll find a way, sir.
Of course I will. Some of his goons dragged a doctor away. I'm going to find her first, then deal with Joker.
see that guy with Harley earlier?
Who? Oh, you mean Abramovich? Yeah, he's one mean son of a bitch.
Guy is freaking huge. What does he eat, people?
Who knows? I don't know if this is true, but I heard that the Joker had him sent over from some Russian freak show.
Really?
Yeah, but that's not the weird part. I heard he was like a Siamese twin. You know, conjoined, stuck together. They had a big fight. Well, I guess they split up.
You kidding? Oh, that's sick, man.
All I know is that they still hate each other. I even heard that the other one went to work for Kabbalah. That's crazy, right?
This place, who knows?
Quinn slowed me down. I need to get back after Joker. They've got that doorway covered. I need to find a different way to get past Joker's men.
Scared, exactly.
No one's gonna hear that thug over the sounds in this
room.
room.
Back at the asylum and my arm 6 months ago.
Better make sure he don't come too close.
Easier said than done. You've never seen him in action.
I want to teach him not to mess with me. Harley wants him dead, and I want a piece of Harley.
Are you insane? Harley? Have you forgotten about her boyfriend?
Way I hear it, the whole world will have forgotten about her boyfriend soon enough. Then, I get a ride on the Harley.
Arkham City is just the beginning.
Get over and find out who's screaming!
He's here! Don't let him get in! You take the door.
Get over here!
Someone!
Shut it, Doc! It's got quiet out there.
Stay here.
Smoke!